How y'all doing? It's a very bright and sunny day today. We're in the middle of Montana and I love it here. Montana is one of my very happy places, so we're pretty excited to be here today. I'm gonna start off by making lunch because I'm starving, so. I think I'm gonna make deer burgers. Start off the day right. Know what I'm saying? Starting off by cleaning the pan. It's been through hell lately. I've cooked on it about 7 times without washing it. And last time, after I was done cooking on it, I let blue lick all over it. So I'm just boiling some water right now to semi-clean the pan. And we're gonna go from there. Blue, watch out. Watch out. Cool. I didn't have the opportunity to get more bubbly, but I got more strawberry mango seltzer water from Target, so. We're really moving on up in the flavors game here. Wow, that's good. Would you like a chip? Good boy. Isn't it so pretty here? We're at some sort of like recreation area. It's beautiful. Hi, Bubby. Let's see. Thank you again to Raul for this chair. It's amazing. I'm gonna use it so much. Holy cow. Alright, should we take you on a walk or what? Yeah. Exercise time. Ready for your walk? Can you sit? Beautiful. Wait. Let's go for a walk, Bob. No, no, no. Good job, Pepper. Drop. Sit. Down. Good boy. Go. Come. Good boy. Hey. Come. Hey. Come. Hey. Sit. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Very good training today, Blue. You're doing very well. Yeah. Great attention span today, Bubby. Walked for so long I have blisters on my feet. My feet hurt. Someone remind me not to walk in Chelsea boots for 2 hours because these blisters are going to be brutal tomorrow. But it's only my fault, so we've got like an hour and a half left of daylight, so I've got to get Rue organized before we're in for the night to like edit and sleep, and I haven't organized any of the P.O. Box stuff, so we're gonna be finding some new spaces for stuff. Especially because I'm gonna film a car tour tomorrow, so let's get to it. Alright, come here. We're gonna take a break from Fudge because you gotta eat dinner. Drop. I know, ball is life, but it's gonna have to wait. I've noticed that Blue hasn't been drinking enough water since we've like come up to elevation in Colorado, so I've been feeding him his food in his water. Just a little trick for anybody with a dehydrated dog, because it really does help him. Force him to drink water, huh, bub? Alright, come here. You eat over here. I need to figure out some sort of organization for this cooking tour because it's kind of just like a free-for-all right now. Ooh. Yikes. Yikes. I was trying to stay at this campsite for 3 days without leaving because it's like a 45-minute drive into the nearest town and then a 45-minute drive back. And I went into town this morning to get everything I needed before coming out here, and I'm almost out of butane. I've got like an eighth left. That's like maybe good for coffee in the morning. Crap. That sucks. I'm gonna waste so much gas. Oh well. It is what it is, Maria. You made a mistake and you can't change it. There's a Walmart 45 minutes away, so just a solid hour-and-a-half round trip to get there. Crap, I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow because what's today? Tuesday, and I'm gonna be here till Friday. Like, I have to be able to cook. It's so frustrating. Okay. It's alright. It's alright. But it's okay. We gotta be positive because that's what my mom tells me to do. Literally kill me. How annoying. Lucif. Puppy. Blue. What were you doing? Yeah, did you hear me start to melt down about the butane you just left? Is that what happened? I understand. I understand, but also let's not go too far from camp, okay? I'm so upset at myself and no one else. How could I forget butane? What the heck is wrong with me? Why am I like this? Oh, Lucifer. Go find a cartridge of butane in the forest, would you? Please. Do you think they'll DoorDash out here? Hi, can you bring me one butane cartridge for a total of $100? I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I forgot. Or rather, just didn't check. How annoying. I just need to sulk for like 20 more minutes and then I'll get over it and I'll go get it tomorrow and I'll be fine. But like, until then it's gonna be a little annoying. Honestly, what I need to start doing is buying extra butane cartridges and putting them in my roof rack because that would be smart. I'm just more mad that I'm like wasting an entire tank of gas, you know what I mean? Or like half of one, but still. That's so much money! So really like a $2 butane cartridge is gonna end up being like a $32 butane cartridge because of the gas involved. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna stop complaining. There are such worse things in the world. Like, shut up, Maria. Ew, how annoying. Never mind, everybody ignore me. I'm gonna be fine. It was, oh my gosh. I hate when I do that and then I like realize that people like don't have parents and have like really bad illnesses and stuff. And here I am complaining about a stupid mistake I made. Shut up. I am so blessed. And so lucky and so fortunate. Ooh, Bubby, we should put your little light on. Yeah, it's just so we can see you in the dark. It changes color. That's so cool. It's like a rainbow. Let's put your nightlight on, bub. Now we can see where you're going when you're running away down the hill. Alright. I'm going to put Blue's adventure medical kit in with my survival bag. That's where all my survival stuff is, so should probably all stick together here. I might need to get new totes soon, you guys, because these are like bending and stuff, and I mean I have had them for like almost 5 years, so they're probably about toast. That's another worry for another day. Alright. I love when Rue is organized. I feel just so much better about my life. Woo! Let's topple over. What's up, pup? Think it's gonna be a pretty sunset tonight or what? Look, come here. Other side. Nope. Over here. Look at his little light. It's so cute. I love that it changes all the colors. We're never gonna lose you again, bub. That turkey hunting trip literally like changed my life because I can hear turkeys gobbling in the distance. I can literally hear turkeys. Yeah. Remember when we went turkey hunting, Blue? Hey, you can go back there if you want. Check it out, I made you like a lot of room. It's time to edit, child. You know the drill. You know what time of night it is. I really like the video that I'm editing right now, which is nice. I love when that happens. When you're just like really vibing. Like, you know, it's just gonna be a good one. Blue's been passed out for like 2 hours. Tough day long walk, huh, bub? Ooh, alright. You know, it's funny, I've had like 4 or 5 people in the last week ask me why I edit with my buckle on. And honestly, you guys, it's just because my biggest pet peeve in life is Rue's seatbelt ding. So like, I'll show you. Self-explanatory, but let me just run you through these scenarios really quick, okay? So if I'm editing with my laptop on my lap and no seatbelt, and I go to turn my car on for any reason, I do it for 2 reasons. I turn Rue on periodically because it charges my little mini generator battery powered thing that charges all my devices. So I'll run Rue to charge that back up so that can charge all my devices. But also we're still in the time of year where it gets pretty cold at night. So if I want to run the heat for like a couple minutes because it's getting cold, I'll just turn Rue on, go back to editing. You get it. But if I don't have my seatbelt on, this is what a deal is. Like, I'd rather die. It just pings like that. On and on and on. Pause. On and I don't want to deal with it. So anyways, that's why I edit with my seatbelt on, because you gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I mean? I can't stand the beeping sound, so I wear a seatbelt. And honestly, I don't even notice it, so it's not a big deal. Fun facts. The more you know. Okay. I'm gonna crawl back. Lock the doors. Take out this water so Blue has the option to come to the front seat should he wish. Which he never does anyways, but I just like feel better giving Blue more options for sleeping. You know what I mean? Sorry, that's a lot of light, huh, bub? I'm sorry. Ugh. Oh, hi! Hold on, Bubby. Let me get in bed first. I'm always paranoid that Rue is, like, in neutral when I'm getting into bed, and that the car's just gonna roll away. And that has... Oh, wow. You guys weren't even able to see me. I always have this, like, big fear that... It's an unnecessary fear or whatever you call it, because I check it a million times, but I always have this fear that Rue is in neutral when I'm climbing back here, and that the car is just gonna like roll away as I sleep. And that's actually happened to me before in a parking lot in Walmart, probably like 4 years ago. I forgot to put Rue in gear, and then I crawled back, almost crashed into a curb, but I jumped up in the front seat in time. So anyways, fun stories. We need to brush you tomorrow because that tick spray made your hair all crusty. Aren't ya? Well, come on then. You want to come up here? You going up front to get water. Go drink of water. He's the smartest dog in the world. I swear he understands English. We're waiting for you. Are you going to lay down or are you going to come up here? You got to pick one. Well, hop up if you want to. Or lay down. Pick one. I mean, that's what I figured. Oh, you're so sweet. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!